In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add collaborators to a deal in HubSpot. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn this feature on and how to add the right teammates to any deal so everyone can work together smoothly. We'll start with enabling collaboration, because this has to be turned on before anyone can actually add collaborators. You'll need to be a super admin in your HubSpot account for this part. If you're not, you can still watch to understand the process and then share it with someone who has the right permissions. From your HubSpot account, look towards the top right corner and click on the settings icon, the little gear. This opens your main settings area. On the left-hand sidebar, you'll see a list of sections. Find the one labeled Objects, and then click on Deals underneath it. This is where you control how deals behave in your account. On the Deals settings page, look for the option that says Allow users to add collaborators. This is usually a simple checkbox. Make sure that box is checked. Once it's enabled, users in your HubSpot portal will have the ability to add collaborators to individual deals. There's no complicated save process here, but it's always a good idea to wait a second and confirm the change has been applied before moving on. Now that collaboration is enabled, let's add collaborators to a specific deal. At the top of your HubSpot navigation bar, go to CRM, then click on Deals. This takes you to your deals pipeline, where you can see all the deals your team is working on. From here, find the deal you want to collaborate on and click directly on the deal name to open it. This will bring you into the deal record, where you see all the activities, notes, and properties tied to that opportunity. On the left-hand sidebar of the deal record, look for a card labeled Collaborators. If you've just enabled the feature, it may be empty right now. Click the Add button within that Collaborators section. A panel or pop-up will appear showing a list of users in your HubSpot account. Now, select the user or users you want to bring into this deal as collaborators. You can choose multiple team members if several people are involved in moving the deal forward. Once you've made your selections, click Add Collaborators to confirm. Those users are now listed as collaborators on the deal, making it easier for your team to see who's involved and coordinate work around that opportunity.